So you can see that I have a bunch of scenes right here, and then you can see that they have a certain style to it. Like, let's say, for example, the text that is used, the colors that are there, and so forth. If you want to go ahead and change around the scene style, you can simply right click on a particular scene right here and then go around over here onto styles. So here you can go ahead and apply styles or customize styles. Let's go to apply style, and here you can see that this is the style that I have. I can go ahead and edit this out right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to change the color of this particular shade of blue, and you can see that this changes. Let's say yellow, I want to go ahead and change it out into orange. You can also go ahead and type in colors as you wish. So that is what you have, as you can see. You can also go around over here onto style and customize it out, and it straightly goes up right here onto the style. So now if I were to go around over here onto new object and style, you can see that you can add in different backgrounds as you want as well, just like this, and add in new styles as well. Let me just go ahead back right here, and then you can see that the text is Verdana. Let's just go ahead and change it to impact right here, just like this right here. So that is the style that you have right here. So now if I were to go around over here onto apply styles, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and apply it to all scenes as well, or just the selected scenes that you have as well. You can shift select certain scenes and apply that out. But if I were to apply to all scenes, then you can see that the colors right here, the text right here has been changed according to the style I have right here, just like this. So let me just go to the beginning. So you can see that this is what you have. And if I were to go around onto this, you can see that the style is actually being changed. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that the color is changing right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that the text and everything changes out. So this is what you have. So I can go ahead and edit it out right here and select, let's say, for example, another text style right here, and you can see that that changes as well, just like that right here. So then you can go around onto apply styles, apply out to everything, and then all the styles right here, including the font, changes out. And that is how you can work around with scene style inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.